Sentient beings! Nick here with another episode of Basic Batches. In this episode we're going to deal with some meat. I know in the previous couple of episodes, if you've been watching it in chronological order, we've been doing a few vegetarian and vegan dishes, which is delicious, don't get me wrong, but it's really neglected the meat-loving population out there. So today's episode we're going to be looking at Italian meatballs, which is a great recipe to do beforehand and then freeze and then take out the meatballs that you want and reheat them with your pastas or whatever it is that you're going to be eating it with, and it keeps months. So yeah, enjoy. Well, that concludes our meatballs video. I hope you found it really informative and interesting, and I hope that you really like the flavours as well. It's not something that's super difficult because it is a basic batch, and it's something that you're able to throw in the freezer and pull out as required over and over and over again until it runs out. If you liked the video, please do like it down at the bottom, down there somewhere. If you really like this series of videos, please remember to subscribe and hit the bell button as well. Jump onto my Facebook page, facebook.com/basicbatches, and my Patreon page, if that's still up and running, patreon.com/basicbatches. And also, I reckon jump onto my Instagram page, which is instagram.com/NIQUE_OF_THYME. That will be my personal one. Well, kind of semi-personal, semi-professional. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope to catch you again next time on Basic Patches.